Okay, so welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and we are doing an unboxing. And as you can see, guys, the bag came all torn up. I don't know. So this is from BeeBeeCrafts, just so that you can, let me see if I can get the wrapper. Let me get this stuff out of the bag. So this is, it came from BeeBeeCrafts. I'm pretty sure, yeah, the label got all torn up too. So I'm sorry about that. But again, BeeBeeCrafts, and what I ordered from there, okay, I'm sorry, what I ordered from there. Do you see these white rosettes? Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? I thought these would be great in crafts. So I got one roll of these. And I'm gonna go ahead and link what I ordered down below in the description box. Okay, then I got the mirror tiles. So there is a SKU number in case you need that, but I'm gonna link this stuff below. Let's see what these are looking like. So I got one order of these. I'm like so happy to start using these.
Now the video is sponsored by BeeBeeCrafts.
Tiles, aren't they gorgeous? Look at this, and they are. They do have the adhesive in the back. Isn't that beautiful? So I can't wait to start crafting with these. Okay. So these are the mirror tiles, and then over here we have. This is the gemstone wrap. I really wanted that, the gemstone wrap. Let's see if I can get this open without damaging anything. And this right here is Nala, and she is the reason why my bag is this way. I apologize about that. But anyway, this here, again, I think it is called gemstone wrap, but this is absolutely gorgeous. Let's take it out of here. And like I said, I'm really excited to start using this. And I got the iridescent one. So they do have the silver. This one is the iridescent. And this one is, yeah, that's not a self-adhesive. But look how gorgeous that is. I cannot wait to start crafting with this. So I'm going to place this in here. And then, let me just put it here. And then we got the bling chain. So this chain, I absolutely love. I already went through a couple of these. And they have different sizes. This is just the size that I got. I believe this is the 3.5. And then I got it all silver. They have the silver and gold. The chain is gold, but this one is silver and silver. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. And I can't wait, like I said, to start crafting with these items right here, especially these mirror tiles and this gemstone wrap, because I've already used this one, the chain. And this is new, so I'm anxious to start with this. So I just wanted to show you this. All of the information concerning BeeBeeCraft will be linked below in the description box. So let's get started crafting with something, guys. Okay, so what I decided to DIY is this cylinder vase. Now, I don't know if you guys can see, they're coming much shorter now at the Dollar Tree. But this is a perfect size, you know, for me. So we're gonna go ahead and blend this out using the items that we got from BeeBeeCrafts. So let's start over here. I use these sharpening blocks that you can get at the Dollar Tree. As you can see, my dog got into this too and took the wrapper off, so I gotta buy some more of this. But what I do is I just use it to keep the vases or anything that I'm decorating from moving. So we're gonna start out with these mirror tiles. So let's see. I don't have, okay. And then this also, you peel it back. Let's see if we can do that with this. Yeah. And peel this back. Now, I do believe that if you wanted to put more permanent adhesive on this, you can, but I'm not going to do so today. But I'm going to try both ways. So we're going to try it just with the adhesive that it already comes with. I don't really think it has such great adhesive. That's probably why. It doesn't have, but look how beautiful that looks. Doesn't that look nice all the way around the entire vase? That's gorgeous. Okay, so we're just gonna do some decoration. So let's see, maybe we can do one side. And then we can do this side, the opposite side. So, but I am loving these mirror tiles. I think they are gorgeous. I think they are gorgeous, guys. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? So we have one on one side, okay? And then one on the other side, the opposite side. Then what I think I'm gonna do is use the gemstone wrap. I wanna use the gemstone wrap because we want these to look really blingy. So let me just cut this straight. And like I told you, this is not an adhesive on the other side. So we're gonna cut here. I don't know. It almost feels like it's gonna pull apart and we don't want that. So we're not gonna pull too hard. Okay. So we got that. So this is what that's looking like so far. Let me just just put a tiny bit of glue right here. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Look at that, that's gorgeous. I love it. Okay, so now we do have the other side. I don't want that to go without, so we're gonna decorate that with some of this chain. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful. So we have the one side that has the gemstone wrap and then the mirror. And then on the other side, we have the bling chain and the mirror, which is really beautiful both sides. So I'm glad I decided to combine all these items together. Let's see how this one row of each looks on this side. I just decided to use all of the embellishments. Of course, you don't have to do that. I just wanted to show you all the embellishments because of how gorgeous. So let me give you a closer look and then we'll put some flowers in there and I think we are done. So we have the rosettes. Okay, we have the rosettes over here on this side. That looks so gorgeous. And then over here we have the bling chain and the mirror tiles. Is that not gorgeous, that side? We have another row of the rosettes on this side. And then this is the side I think I like the best. I love the rosettes. I love every angle. But this vase looks gorgeous no matter where you set it and no matter what angle you're looking at it. This is absolutely gorgeous. This gemstone wrap and the mirror. Remember, if there's any one of these items that you would like, I'm gonna link it down below in the description box. Remember, this is BeeBeeCrafts and I think their prices are pretty awesome. So make sure and look below. We're gonna go ahead and get some flowers and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm just placing some flowers here just to give you an idea. Let me give you a different angle.
Okay, guys, we're at the reveal. Now, I do hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.